100 days ago, I decided to invest $5 per day into a Robinhood account. I wanted to prove to you guys you don't need thousands of dollars all up front to invest. You can pick a small amount of money and invest consistently and make cash. So in today's video, we are going to be breaking down how much money I made and how much money I lost. My name is Carter and we talk about everything money on this channel: stocks, money management, trading, investing. So subscribe, join the team. So let's jump into this. Let's see how much money I made or lost with Robinhood. Let's go. All right, so my mindset behind this was honestly really simple. I wanted to prove to you guys you don't need thousands of dollars all up front to invest. There's a huge misconception when it comes to investing that you need thousands of dollars to invest. You don't need it. Investing is like going to the gym. If you go to the gym one time, that's great, but you're not in shape. If you go 2 times, that's great, but you're not in shape. In order to be an investor, you have to invest consistently. This is the best approach with investing. It's called dollar cost averaging. It's a great way to invest into risky markets and honestly just invest for the long run. It's been proven to be one of the best strategies out there, dollar cost averaging, investing consistently. And the broker I chose to use was Robinhood because they have a great auto invest system and you don't have to actively worry about it or even manage it. You can just pretty much tell it what you want to invest in and it handles everything else. So with my $5 per day, what I wanted to do was automatically invest $3 per day into the S&P 500. Now, the S&P 500 represents the top 500 companies in the United States. Now, the reason I wanted to use this is because it's a standard index, and on top of that, it's the best approach with investing. Now, most hedge fund managers can't even beat the S&P 500, so it's better to just invest in the S&P than try to beat it, in my opinion. Now, with the other $2 that I have to invest, I chose to invest with high-risk growth stocks. Now, these are going to be companies like Nvidia. These are going to be companies like Google, AMD. Now, the reason I wanted to invest with those is because I wanted to see some risk. I wanted to see some volatility. I wanted to see my portfolio go up and down at rapid rates, and that's exactly what I saw. One of my main profits with this account was actually with the stock Nvidia. I bought in right here at about $285, and right now it's sitting at $432 a share. So a massive return on my end. Now, honestly, all my stocks that I invested in, all of them aren't winners or massive profits. This is just the diamond in the rough. Nvidia has had a great run with artificial intelligence, and honestly, I was lucky to pick up on that early. All right, so now that we kind of covered what I invested in, why I invested in that, now let's talk about the numbers. All right, so with the $3 per month with the S&P 500, I made about 7.59%, which is awesome. That's about $22.77. That's a great return with as little as about $300 invested, because for the 100 days, $3 per day, $300 total. I made 7% on my money sitting there doing nothing and honestly just letting Robinhood do everything for me. On top of that, I did get a small amount of dividends, nothing crazy, but overall it was a fun way to invest. So now let's look at how much money I made on the growth side. Now, like I said, I had some fantastic returns with companies like Nvidia, AMD, so my return was a little higher, coming in at about 17.9%, and with that $200 invested, I made about $39.80. So bringing my grand total to $58.57. This is a great return, and obviously with this type of investing, I'm going to see volatility. I've had a great 100 days. Now, maybe the next 100 days we could see some sell-off. We could possibly see a little more volatility. We've already noticed that with companies like Nvidia getting some more sell-off. The S&P 500 has sold off a little bit. So a little more volatility is most likely to come. This was a great 100 days, and I'm excited to see where this challenge continues. And if you guys wanted to stay up to date on this challenge, hit that like button, subscribe, so you guys can get notified when we do this challenge again. That is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this. This is just a recap video. We'll see you guys later. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and guys, I'll put links to Robinhood, MooMoo, and M1 Finance, all my favorite brokers down below so you guys can check them out. So we'll see you guys in the next one. Take